This is a warning for anyone about to watch this video. Prepare yourselves to hear lots of shouting and screaming and cheering. And that's not just from me. Player 3 is going to be joining me on this video, so you might want to turn the video down just for a few bits, including this welcome. Here we go. Hello! It's me, Lamer Gamer, and Player 3. How are you doing?
Yeah, that can't risk. I love kick class on my mic.
So the fun thing that we're going to be doing today is getting Player 3 his very own controller, isn't that right?
Yeah, the controller, the camera, and the controller.
And he's so excited, his hair has gone mental. So Xbox have kindly gifted us a code to be able to build our own custom controller just for Player 3 to try out and have for himself. Because Player 3 likes Lamer Gamer or Daddy's controller, and now you're gonna have your own.
Yeah, go to that class.
So what we're gonna do is head over to the Microsoft store and build his very own custom controller. Here we go.
Lego.
So we've made our way over to Xbox Design Lab, haven't we, son?
Yeah, that box.
And as you can see here, they've got like Fallout designs, and you can also create your own controller, which is what we are going to be doing for Player 3 today. Oh yes.
Yeah.
So let's go and design our controller. Design yours. So there is your controller, yeah?
Yeah. No.
So what we got to do is pick what color do we want this bit? Which one?
Blue.
What, this one?
Yeah.
There you go, that color.
Yeah, the blue.
Nice, so Player 3 has picked a blue controller. Now we're going to go to the back.
Yeah.
Do you want this a different color?
This color is blue and the
Yeah.
blue is blue.
Do you want like dark blue, orange, red, pink, white? All of those colors, which one would you like?
Blue.
This blue?
Yeah, blue.
That blue? Okay, then we've got grips. Player 3 isn't really going to use grips much, so there's no point in spending extra money on the grips. Now we're going to look at these bumpers. So these buttons on the top.
Yeah, Captain.
So what color would you like those?
Blue and there's pink and there's the orange.
So what color would you like?
Blue.
That blue?
The two I want.
Or that blue?
That blue.
That blue? Okay, no problem. It looks like we're going for a very blue controller at the moment.
And then the blue.
And then we've got triggers. So we can have them in orange, yellow, red.
Blue.
You want blue again? Right, do you want shiny blue? Or light blue? Or dark blue?
This is a blue.
That blue?
That blue.
Okay, no problem. Okay, now we're talking about this thing here. What color would you like that? Would you like it white?
Blue.
Blue again. We're going to end up with a very blue controller, I think.
The blue too.
Which one? Which blue? Pick a blue.
Blue and any up.
Right, say stop.
Yeah.
That one?
That's the blue.
That blue, okay. We're going to go for a blue controller D-pad as well. So now we've got your thumbsticks. So these bits here. What color should we have them? Yellow?
Blue.
Blue. That one?
Yeah.
Okay. Not very custom at the moment, but it's what Player 3 wants. It's what Player 3 gets.
Yeah.
Then we've got, now which kind of color buttons do you want for these?
The blue and the that.
So you can have them like that,
That too.
like that, like that. Which ones would you like?
Blue side.
Those ones?
This one.
Okay. Because there's more blue on it. As you can imagine, this might be Player 3's favorite color.
The blue and blue.
Player 3 likes blue. Okay, what color do you want your buttons? Do you want them black? Or do you want them white?
Blue and
There aren't any blue.
white.
That one?
Yeah, that one.
Okay. Okay, we've decided on these buttons. Awesome. Are you happy with that for your controller?
Yeah.
Let's have a look at our design. There's our design. Ta-da! We made sure we went for metallic triggers because that's what you liked. We could also have blue patterns as well. So it doesn't have to be solid blue. It can be like that blue, that blue. But you want it to be that blue, yeah?
Yeah, that blue.
Okay. So we're just going to verify because obviously he's not 100% sure of everything just yet. So that was a really nice and simple way of designing our very own controller for Player 3. As you can see here, to do this, plus the metallic bumpers, is a total of £63.28. So obviously this can be quite expensive, but thank you to Xbox, we aren't paying for the majority of this, so thank you. Okay, so we have now ordered our custom controller for Player 3. Are you excited?
Yeah!
So in 3 to 4 weeks, we should...
that goal, I just put
That is exactly how excited he is. Yeah, so what colour did you go for?
Yeah, blue turtle.
So, we will catch up with you in 3 to 4 weeks. See you soon.
Let's go, bye!
Bye.
Bye!
A few moments later.
It's me, Lamer Gamer, and Player 3 here. And we are back, and we have ordered... Well, and we have also had a big surprise come for us in the post, haven't we?
Yeah,
But this lovely box has arrived. But what do you think's in here?
it's a rough racer. I got race.
Yeah, you think it's something that's going to help you race the Disney races, yeah?
Yes, I have a big one.
So, shall we see what's in the box?
Yes.
Let's play what's in the...
Box.
Exactly. Okay, so I'm going to take this card. Do you want to open that bit?
Yes.
Oh, what could that be?
It's gonna games.
It's for games, yeah. Okay.
This
Ooh.
it.
Should we show everybody? So this is how it came from the Xbox Labs.
The young man of games. And other games here.
So I think this could be Player 3's very own custom controller that we ordered the other day, didn't we?
Yes.
Ready to open it?
Yeah.
All right. We have a little bit of tape on the bottom, so what I'm going to do is we're going to video it. I'm going to take it apart. I'm going to have a look inside.
Yeah.
Right, so do you want to open this as it is yours? So yeah, Player 3, pull that back. Whoa, look, he's opened it in one go.
Yes.
All right, you ready?
Ready.
Go on.
Here we go. Open.
Okay, we're going to open it about here. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Whoa. It's Player 3's controller, everybody. Look.
Yeah.
Do you want to show everybody? Whilst we tried to find the camera to show you the controller, Player 3 did actually do his very own unboxing. Take it away, Player 3. So as you can see here inside the box, we have our custom Xbox controller from Xbox Labs. The controller comes complete with 2 AA batteries to get you going. And also, as Player 3 shown us here, there is an instruction manual or two underneath as well to help you get connected and ready to roll. It's exactly as we built. Is it nice? What colour is it?
It's blue.
It is blue, just like all the other blue
And
things.
then there's that one.
And we got the batteries as well. So we'll put the batteries in and we will play.
Yes. Open and see.
So is this cool? Do you like it?
Yes.
Yeah, awesome. Well, we're going to go have a play with it and we'll see how it goes.
Should we go play some games?
Yeah.
So obviously we want to say thank you to Microsoft. Say thank you, Microsoft.
Yeah, come on, guys.
That's close enough. If you guys did like this video and you want us to do some more unboxing and reviews of products, then please do get in touch.
Yes.
But in the meantime, you take care and we'll see you online. See you soon. Bye.
That's all for today, folks. See you next time on the Lamer Gamer channel.